Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, the free admin dashboard templates, and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful Angular 18 plus matte dash admin dashboard template, fully responsive and totally free with multiple pages. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, see the beautiful admin dashboard template, the sidebar and the content section. Beautiful. See the beautiful sidebar stats, see guys. Beautiful charts, see, works well. See the beautiful icons, toggle user with the UI components which used various chips list menu. See friends, tool tips, forms, tables, and here the login page, the register page, back to admin, icons, see, sample page friends. We have you seen the multiple things and it's fully responsive. Let me show you as well. So guys see it's fully responsive. Will work for all the devices as well. Yes. Like Pixel 7, Samsung Galaxy 8, iPad mini, iPad Pro, just brilliant. So guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here's a blog, here's a contact us page. On this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, also you will get the multiple free admin dashboards as well, and all are free of cost. Guys, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel and support me. After it, I will come with the more free dashboard as well. And guys, please comment on it. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.